Hello, how are you?
Good. Can you hear me?
Hey,
Okay. Tell me if the internet cuts out.
yeah, okay.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. What
Good.
about you?
Good. Very good. Very good. Very tired. What's your name?
Oh, my name is Ahmed. I'm from
Afternoon.
Iraq.
I'm Anna. Nice to meet you.
What's yours?
Anna.
Anna. Uh-huh.
Yeah. Nice
Good
to meet
name.
you. Where are you
Nice
from?
to meet you. I am from Iraq.
From Iraq.
Yeah.
Very nice. I've never been there, but I would like to go.
Uh-huh.
I would like to travel everywhere that I can.
Welcome, welcome. If you wanna come
I'm
in
from
the
United States.
yeah
You know?
from United States. Which
Mhm. Yeah.
city do you live?
Virginia.
Virginia.
Yeah. It's all the way on the East Coast. It's kind of boring, um, but there's very nice sunsets.
Virginia, I see the series of The Walking Dead.
Hmm. Exactly.
Acted, they acted in Virginia.
The accent?
No, the series acted in Virginia.
Ah, you went there. Or who acted? Sorry, I didn't understand very well.
The place of series of Walking Dead in Virginia.
Ah, yes, yes, yeah. It's very close to like Washington, D.C.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes,
Okay.
yes. And they have
English.
what?
Where did you learn English?
I have a baccalaureate English department.
Ah, okay, nice. Very
I
nice.
I study English literature.
Okay. And did you like it?
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah,
So
it's interesting.
yeah, it helped me to communicate with other people,
Yeah.
especially when I travel.
Yeah, because all of the world speaks English. Like every country that I've been to, there's at least one person who speaks English. So it's nice to know.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. And do you have do you have another student from Iraq?
No, you're my first student from Iraq.
Uh-huh.
Most of my
The,
students are from Saudi Arabia.
yeah.
Yeah, that's where the most of my students are from Saudi Arabia or Korea.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. But it's nice to meet someone from Iraq. Like I've never met anyone there.
Yeah, yeah. And do you have another job besides Cambly?
Well, now I'm traveling, so no. But when I go back to my house, like
Yeah.
when I go back to Spain again, but now I'm traveling Asia. So Cambly is kind of what I use to make money part time to keep traveling.
Y- Yeah,
Yeah.
it's nice to travel, and when you travel, you working too.
Yeah, the both. The both. That's why I'm so tired all the time
Yeah.
because like I'm always walking
Oh,
very hot and there's no air conditioner. So I'm always walking, working, and doing back and forth, back and forth. So it's okay. It's an experience.
yeah. And you live in Virginia right now or in
N-
Asia?
Now I'm in Asia. I'm in Indonesia. Do you know it?
Yeah, yeah, I heard
Yeah.
it before.
Yeah, I'm here in
I know it.
Indonesia. I just arrived yesterday.
Ah,
Yeah.
good.
Yeah, it was a long
So,
trip.
so new hotel and the new country.
Exactly,
Something.
exactly. It's very interesting. Yeah. and I
Yeah,
still have to try the food because I haven't tried yet. So I hope it's like very good. And do you like to travel?
Yeah, I like to travel. Do you like to travel?
I know some people who don't like to travel. Some of my students don't like to travel. Yeah.
Yeah, I like to travel, but not much.
Okay, that's too much.
Uh, Yeah, because the work and the responsibility here
Yeah.
towards my family, so I can't travel much. I hope, I hope to travel.
Okay, and if you could go any place, where would you go?
Mm, I want to go to the United States,
Okay.
especially in El Paso City.
To where?
El Paso City.
Oh, is that in Texas?
Yeah, yeah, in the West.
The West. Ah, okay, okay. Like California. Okay.
Yes, exactly.
Me too. I want to go to
I
California.
Yeah, yeah. And I want to visit so many countries to know about their culture
Mm-hmm.
and how they live, how they communicate with each
Yeah,
other. When you travel, it gather your knowledge
exactly,
to
exactly. It expands your knowledge.
yeah.
Yeah,
That's what you do right now.
exactly, exactly. I've learned like so many things in like a small amount of time because, for example, I learned yesterday that in Indonesia they have like
Yeah.
these little flowers, like flowers and these kind of things on the floor, and it's like an offering to the gods. So you're not
Um,
supposed to like step on them, or you have to walk around them to be respectful. And some of the tourists, they step on them or they pick them up. And if you pick them up or if you step on them, for Indonesians, you have bad luck, like for the rest of your life. So I learned that.
yeah. Yeah. See, so you learn something from the
Yeah,
first
exactly.
day. You
Exactly. On
reach
the first day. Because I was thinking
yeah,
like, why are all these flowers, like all these flowers on the floor? And told me, and I was like, okay, it makes sense. Yeah.
yes, yes. And when do you travel alone or with friends?
I'm traveling with two of my friends now. So yeah, it's
Mhm.
fun. Yeah. I'm kind of
Yeah,
scared to travel
this
alone.
is very awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
I,
yeah. I know. Yes, something.
yeah, no, I was just saying like when I go to places that are very far, I get a little scared to travel like alone by myself because I don't know the place very well. Yeah.
Yes, of course. Yeah, yeah. And how long have you been teaching on Cambly?
Teaching on Cambly, let's see. I want to say 3 weeks now.
Yeah,
Yeah, 3 weeks. 3 weeks, almost four, so almost like 1 month. But I like it. It's really cool. How long have you been using
yeah,
it?
Cambly. I'm using Cambly around 2 months.
2 months. Okay. And how do you find it? Do you like it?
Yeah, I like it so much because help me to communicate and practice on my conversation. Yeah,
Exactly. Like you get to practice with native speakers, and like like your English understanding is really, really good because sometimes native speakers talk very fast, but you understand everything.
yes.
So that's a really good sign. Yeah.
Yes, exactly. The English tutor understands the student, so he speaks slowly and clearly
Mhm.
to the student.
Yeah. And
Yes,
Iraq. Iraq.
the Arabic language here.
Arabic. Okay, I didn't know
Yeah.
that. I thought, okay, that's cool. That's cool. Is it? Do you have like different dialects in Arabic? Like, is it the same in like, I don't know, Saudi Arabia maybe?
Huh?
Is it the same kind of like dialect? Like, does it sound Arabic?
The accent sometimes is different from city to city in Iraq
Okay.
or in Saudi Arabia. But the the main language is still Arabic, but the accent
Okay,
is different.
it's a bit different. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. That's cool. Learn
Even,
something
even
else.
in Iraq,
Mm-hmm.
even in Iraq here, the accent differs from city to city.
Okay.
When you go to the south, when you go to the south, uh, the the accent is the hard, and
In the South.
when yeah, and when you and we go back to the capital to Baghdad, the accent is very clearly and
Okay.
very nicely.
And which part are you from?
I'm from Baghdad.
Okay.
I
So
lived
you
in
have
the
like
capital.
very clear accent. Okay. That's cool.
Yeah,
And how is it?
yeah,
How is the weather there now? Is it cold? Or is it always hot?
yes. Well, no, no. It's cold here now. Uh, around. I don't know. I don't see the weather.
Sorry?
I don't see the weather list today.
Ah. But it's pretty much cold. Does it snow?
Yeah. No, no,
No? Okay.
no snow.
Okay.
We don't have snow. We don't have ice.
That's good. I don't like the cold, so I have to live in a place that's not cold.
How's the weather there in Indonesia?
Hot, like the
Uh,
and then after I got out the shower, I started like sweating again. So I feel like I want to take another shower, but it's like the same thing. It's just really, really warm, really,
maybe,
really hot, and it's
maybe,
like a very
maybe the humidity is high there.
yeah, it's very, very humid as well. So it's like the double, and I just feel like I'm in a sauna all the time. But at least like
Yeah,
it's very beautiful. It's like family, like they
yeah,
always
yeah.
smile at you. They always smile at you.
Yes,
They
yes.
wave, dance, and they're like,
The people,
hey.
the people so tiny there. Their eyes, their nose.
Small, very small.
Yeah, very small.
Yeah, like the men are very shorter. So
Yeah,
and the language, the Indonesian language, it's really hard to try and speak.
okay.
Thailand and same with those two countries, hard to speak, but like a little by little.
Yeah. So,
Yeah.
Anna, can you evaluate?
Sorry,
Can you evaluate
what was
me?
that?
Can you evaluate me?
In English. Yeah. Okay. So your
Yeah.
listening skills, I would give you like a 9 out of 10 for listening because you understand everything that I say. And for
Yeah.
speaking, you have to still practice a little bit more. You're pretty good with like
Yeah.
tenses and everything, so you haven't messed up. But just to be more comfortable, I would say like keep practicing so you get more fluid.
Oh, thank you,
But
thank you.
very good,
And
very
I
good.
have I have a good journey to you and to your friends.
Thank you. Thank you. You too. Have a good
Thank,
day. Bye.
thank you. Goodbye.